friends, hope you guys doing great. Thank you very much for the support. Okay, I'm here today to cook for you guys vegetable spring rolls. Okay, I've got all my ingredients set up and ready, so let's get started. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, 3 tables of olive oil. I'm gonna add green chilies now. Just gonna saute it. Then I'm adding some onions. Just keep stirring, and I just need to fry them. Got my ginger garlic paste. Saute them until they are golden brown. And I'm going to add a bit of cumin powder. I'm adding a bit of garam masala and some coriander powder. Just keep stirring so it doesn't get stuck. So this is the portion we need to add, guys. So what I'm doing is 3/4 of cabbage and 1/4 of carrot. Finely grated. I'm going to give it a quick stir. Mix it thoroughly. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it for like 5 minutes. Put the lid on. Okay, seems pretty nice. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Adding pepper now, and salt as per the taste. I'll give it a quick mix. I'm going to add my sliced mushroom. Spring rolls doesn't have mushrooms, but I'm just going to add mushrooms in my spring rolls. Just mixing it thoroughly. I'm going to add some lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce, guys. Just 100 grams. Mix thoroughly. I'm going to add my green peas, and I'm going to add chopped mint and parsley. And that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it thoroughly and then put the lid on, cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. There you go, nice and brown. A splash of dark soya sauce, that should be good. And that's it. So spring roll stuffing is ready. Okay guys, the stuffing is done now. So what I'm doing is, I've got a spring roll dough sheet, so I'm going to use that and then roll the spring rolls. Okay, stay tuned. Alright guys, there you go. I've got my spring roll sheet ready. That's corn flour with some water, just to use the stick the sides once we stuff the spring roll. 2 tablespoons more or less, that should be good. There you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush the corners of the spring roll sheet with corn flour water. It's like cornstarch, so it helps to stick the sides, and when we start frying it, it doesn't open up. That's it. There you go, nice and rosy. That's done. I'm gonna make the rest of them and we're gonna fry it. Okay, that's a sunflower and olive oil mix. And I'm gonna drop all my spring rolls. What we need to do is we need to ensure the spring rolls cook evenly on each side and we just get a golden brown and a crispy texture. Cook it evenly on both the sides and all the sides. That's it. They already look very yummy, guys. There you go. Nice and golden brown. Just serve it onto a plate with some paper towel so that the oil gets soaked in. And that's it. All good. Alright guys, there you go. Vegetable spring rolls. They're done. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.